Hello everyone, Chef Stas again here, and today's topic is how to fabricate a chicken. I'll show you how to cut chicken the most effective way, like a pro, so you don't lose your time and you don't lose any precious meat. So let's start cooking. So let's take the chicken. In this position it is ready for baking. The legs are tied together and the wings are laid back and fixed, but our goal today is butchering. We start with the legs, cut the skin between the thigh and the carcass until the meat is visible. Pull the thigh back until the thigh bone comes out of the joint with a crunchy sound. Next, we press the knife to the carcass and, passing as close to the bones as possible, separate the thigh. We find a white strip of connective tissue between the thigh and drumstick. There is a joint. You can easily cut the leg into two parts in this place. Next we cut the wings. Cut the skin around the base of the wing, twist it out of the joint and separate it with a knife. If you need to cut the wings in half, we'll find the place where it's folding, the joint, and cut it with a knife. To make it easier to remove the breasts, we'll separate the spine. Cut the meat with a knife or kitchen scissors at the base of the chest. To separate the breast fillet, find the cartilage in the middle, cut the skin along it, and then with the tip of a knife, using it like a scalpel, go as close as possible to the bone on which the fillet is located. Separate the breast. The knife should scratch on the bones, so we will not lose a single gram of meat. Let's do the same with the other side. Each fillet has a tenderloin underneath. This is the most tender part and is usually removed to give the breast a neat shape. We just run a knife through the junction. If we want to remove the bones from the thigh, then we cut the meat along the bone so that it comes out. Then, gently working with the tip of the blade, separate the entire bone from the meat. If you need to remove the bone from the lower leg, cut the skin and tendons around the bone under the base of the lower leg. Then we make a long incision, releasing the bone, and work with the tip of the knife around, separate the bone from the meat. We cut the chicken into 12 pieces. The drumsticks are good for stewing, roasting and frying. Fillets are suitable for boiling, frying, stewing and baking. The wings are for frying and you can make broth from the bones. After cutting the chicken, it is very important to clean your equipment and the workplace with soap and water. And then disinfect it. I hope after this video you clearly understand how to fabricate a chicken the most effective and the fastest way. If yes, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. If not, still subscribe to the channel, but let me know what went wrong in the comments. How can I explain you better this topic? Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the future videos. Bye bye.